Hope you are fine today. So today we are working on algebraic processing involving fraction. Algebraic processes involving fraction. So that's what I'm working on. As you all know, what do we call algebraic fraction? Algebraic fraction is the process of simplifying a number in form of representation. That is, representing a thing with an alphabet and solving them. So we have different ways of solving algebraic expressions, and which is what we are going to do today. So it is simplified into four aspects. We have simplicity of algebraic fraction. We have addition and subtraction of algebraic fraction. We have multiplication and division of algebraic fraction. This is the three major things that we'll be working on today. So today we are working on simplification of algebraic fraction. Okay? So as I said earlier, we are working on algebraic process. We are working on algebraic process. Algebraic processes involving fraction. Okay, so under this, we'll be working on simplification of algebraic process. Algebraic fraction. So let's see some examples. Simplify the following algebraic fractions. Number 1, 12 x squared y over 6 xy. Number 2, x squared minus 25 over x squared minus 5x. Okay, so let's work on these two properties. So we are going to start now. Let's see the solution. X squared y over 6xy. Now, how do we tackle this kind of algebraic expression? You can see as it is on the board. We will tackle this by expressing our numbers and cutting the one that is having a common fraction, or the common number. Let me make it a number. You can call it wherever we are having a common variable. It cuts one another, leaving behind the one that is uncommon. And that will be your final answer. So now let's look at it. Let's look at this expression. We are having 12x squared y all over 6xy. What will this become? This becomes 12 times x times y all over 6 times x times y. So we can see that we are having y in common. It is gone. We are having x in common. 1x, we cancel another x. Why this? We are having 6 here, 1. 6 goes in 12 2 times. Therefore, this implies that our answer is equal to 2x. As simple as that. This is what they call simplification of algebraic fraction. As simple as that. Let's look at number 2. Number 2. we are having x squared minus 25 all over x squared minus 5x. Look at this very well. This will be expressed in form of what do they call it? Differences of two squares. As you can see on the board, this is a perfect square, this is another perfect square. So change your 25 to perfect square, then you are going to have a clear picture of what you are solving. Look at this. This will give you x squared minus 5 raised to power 2 all over x squared minus 5x. If you look at this now, you will see that your 5 squared and x squared are looking in the same form. So this becomes, since they are both carrying your square, put them inside the brackets and put square outside all over x squared plus 5x. Now, this now will now be expressed in form of 2 squared. This becomes x minus 5 x plus 5 all over. Your x is common at your denominator. This becomes x into brackets. X is common here. By the time you bring out one x, you are going to have one x inside plus 5. So if you look at this now, you will see that we are having a factor that can cut themselves. So this will cancel this. Then our final answer will give us x minus 5 all over x. As simple as that. So that is what we are having for you for today. And kindly do this as an exercise. I need you to test yourself to know if what I have taught you today is correct or not. Okay, let's have this. Simplify the following algebraic expression. Simplify. Number 1, 15x squared y all over 5 xy. Number 2, x squared minus 36 all over x squared minus 6x. So that will be all for today. See you tomorrow. Thank you.